So now we start from the 13. And by the way, be sure to subscribe to my channel if you are like to see my soft mathematics and teach you guys some interesting math. Put your following is true about the behavior of this function when x go to 2. Okay. So we can first do the factorization. Cancel. So basically, f over can be written as this. Okay, so you know that when x equals to 2, then it will blows up because the numerator is 4 and the denominator is 0. And then when x goes to 2 plus, then it's plus infinity. When x goes to 2 minus, which is negative infinity. So the A is wrong, the B is wrong, the C is wrong. Okay, the D, they say the function has vertical asymptotic at 2. This is okay because vertical means straight. So basically it's okay. The function has unequal finite left hand and right hand limits. So when x goes to infinity, then this the numerator is the third degree polynomial and the denominator is the quadratic. So basically when x goes to infinity, this term will go to infinity. And as the negative infinity, this term will go to negative infinity. So the E is also false. So the answer is D. The answer is D. Number 14. So 14 is a special question that you need to think carefully. A new case contains a statement that the total use of electricity in the city, the head decline on billing billing period by 5%, while household use had declined by 4% and all other users increased by 25%. Which of the following must be true about a billing period? So basically, if you see, okay. So let me explain. Suppose this is all the users. So basically, we have household and others. Suppose the electricity which household use is called X, and the electricity which other users used is called Y. So the first statement, is that the total use is 0.95 x plus y. And the second statement say that the household has declined only 4%. So this is 0.96 x and plus, and other increased by 25. So this is 1.25 y, and then it should be equal. But this is impossible because this term will larger than the 0.95x and 95y. This term larger than this larger than this. So there's no way which they can equal. Suppose you let this to be equal, and you will get the 0.01x will be minus 0.3y, but x and y should be positive. So only this can happen is x and y are zeros. And this is contradiction because we say that this is electricity what people use. So if the x and y is 0, then total electricity is 0, and there's make no sense to say that the 0 becomes 0, this decrease 5%. So there's no way that you can get the answer. The answer is A. Now the statement was an error. So another way to see this is, since the household unit has declined only 4%, and other users increased 25%, so there's no way that total of them decreased 5%. So this is a simple way that you can use your logic to direct solve it. But when I first solved this question, I did not think. Uh, I still use computation to lead the results.